What is up, I Coach Nutrition fam, and welcome back to another episode of I Coach Nutrition Radio. Today's episode is going to be all about how you can follow an easy exercise program, an easy workout program, all through my workout app and my workout program called iTrain. We use the app Wodify, or the software through Wodify, to be able to create the workout program and provide the workouts to clients, as well as to be able to have a tracking system where you can be able to record your weights and be able to track those through the course of weeks and months and years of working out and using those workout programs. So the cool thing about iTrain and the workout app is that there are tons and tons and tons of different workout programs that are on there. There are workout programs that are 3 days a week, 4 days a week, 5 days a week. There's workout programs that only use dumbbells. There's workout programs that are made for using commercial gyms, like working out at 24 Hour Fitness or Lifetime or Cowboys Fit or LA Fitness or these types of places. There's workout programs that you can do 100% from home. There's workout programs that are done just with body weight. There's workout programs that include barbells and kettlebells and cables and dumbbell and body weight. There's cardio in these workouts. There's strength training in these workouts. So there's tons and tons and tons of variety in these workouts. And the biggest aspect of working out and getting the results is not just exercising, not just checking the box and saying, oh, I went to the gym and hopped on the elliptical for 45 minutes and I got my exercise in for the day. Don't get me wrong, doing something is 100% better than doing nothing at all. But there's a big difference, and something that I try to get my clients to understand, and they do understand after working together, which is there's a big difference in exercising, right, and training, right? When you're actually training, you're actually working towards a goal, right? Whether that's to be able to build muscle or lose body fat or improve your performance. Maybe you're training for a half marathon or an Ironman or some type of race. Maybe you're just trying to get healthier and fitter and being able to keep up with your kids or your grandkids. But ultimately, we want to create a workout program that is structured, that has progression in that, right? And making sure that, from a strength training perspective and trying to build muscle, you want to make sure you're able to get stronger. And doing that through what is referenced as progressive overload is a very important aspect of that. Another thing that's really important in terms of the workouts is making sure that we're keeping you injury free, right? One of the worst things that could ever happen in starting a workout program is to get injured, right? If you get injured, that affects every aspect of your life outside of that. Right. And it also really derails you from a motivational standpoint, which then leads to, you not prioritizing your nutrition as much typically, and all of these different lifestyle habits that play a big role in just you feeling your best, looking your best, and performing your best. And so with iTrain, the big focus here is to get you to be able to, prioritize based off what your goals are, a workout program that is progressive, that you don't have to think about, that keeps you injury free, that keeps things fun and exciting, and adds that variety aspect there that so many are looking for, but allows you to work out on your own, right? And work out from anywhere in the world. And also allows you to be able to track your results on the app there, right? I don't know, if this has ever happened to you before, but for so many people, you go in that next week to work out, you're trying to sit there and think about, what were the weights that you used the previous week, in terms of this model of progressive overload and wanting to get stronger week by week or month by month or year by year. And you can't even remember what the weight was that you used on this specific exercise the previous week. And so being able to track that in the app makes that extremely easy to be able to use there. One of the coolest parts about iTrain is that, there are a lot of different workout programs that are out there. There are a lot of different workout programs that are very inexpensive. There's also a lot that are expensive. This iTrain app is definitely on the inexpensive realm, right? It's literally only $19 a month. And if you sign up, you can go to my website, icoachnutrition.com, and you can go on there and you can actually download ebooks of the specific workout programs and the different cycles. And you can download these ebooks for free, right? And that way you can actually go through and try these workout programs out. There's 6-week, 8-week, 10-week, 12-week programs that are on there. You can download these for free. Right. And then if you like it, you enjoy it, you're getting great results from it, awesome, hop into the app. And now the app gives you access to all of this, as well as the ability to track your results and be able to train with me, get right into the cycle where me and so many of my clients are actually on. And that way you can get into our community, right? We have a private Facebook group where you can actually go in there and you can post your workout videos, you can get feedback on your form and your technique. It's just an awesome community of education and support, where not only you can ask questions about workouts, you can also ask questions about your nutrition and your sleep and supplements and really anything and everything to make sure that you're succeeding and reaching and accomplishing your health and fitness goals there. And so that's really the biggest difference in terms of the price point, right? A lot of these apps that are $9.99 a month or $19.99 a month or whatever, well, they don't give you access to that. They don't give you access to be able to get coaching feedback, right? You don't get your workout videos or your coaching videos. You don't get form and technique breakdowns there, right? You don't have access to coaches to be able to ask questions, right? You don't get assistance with your nutrition or with sleep or with hydration or stress management or any of these lifestyle habits that play a big role in you, again, being able to feel your best, look your best, and perform your best. And so if you're not getting the results that you're looking for the time and energy that you're putting into the gym, or you're just tired of doing your own workouts or trying to think about what to do when you go to the gym, or maybe you're sick of going to the classes that you're doing, or you're just getting bored with whatever it is that you're doing, you're losing motivation, whatever it may be, I would definitely encourage you with at least going and checking out the website. Check out, when you go to iCoachNutrition.com, click the tab that says iTrain, and try out some of those workout programs, right? Feel free to send me a message on Instagram or on Facebook or LinkedIn, or drop a comment here in the podcast or YouTube notes. But I would definitely encourage you to at least try these workout programs out. And if you would like, I'll even set you up with a free week of using the app. I'll even set you up with a free month of using the app. And that way you can really check it out, really be able to dive deep and see if it's a good fit for you. My goal is to try to get as many people doing iTrain workouts as I possibly can, and ultimately being able to tie them into our community with iCoach Nutrition, right? And being able to, provide not only workout programs, right, that are intelligently designed to keep you, feeling your best, looking your best, performing your best, keep you injury free, but also be able to bring you into the community of education and support when it comes to your nutrition and your lifestyle, right? And getting you to be able to live your best life. So if this sounds something that's interesting to you, if you'd like to learn more about it, either check out the website or send me a message here, and I would love to be able to introduce you to iTrain, which is the newest component of iCoach Nutrition, and being able to get you to, again, feel your best, look your best, perform your best, not just from a nutrition and lifestyle standpoint, but also from a training and exercise standpoint there. So guys, thank you so much for diving into the podcast here today. Let me know if you have any questions about anything here, as always, and I hope you have an amazing day. Thanks, guys.